their attitudes to learning are very good and make a strong contact.
No, you finger on it.
Fancy giving us the lift back?
Nice, no. Now hang on.
I think
Lindsay,
Lindsay did a better job, Mum.
Who's doing it first?
Right, no, it's Lindsay all the time and then I walk on.
Well, I'm not doing eating your butty.
Right, I'll tell you the plan, right. We're in class and because Lindsay's on holiday, we're doing the presentation. But we introduce ourselves and then Lindsay's like, excuse me, I was involved in this as well because we're playing the video of your Lindsay.
Right.
And then Lindsay asks questions and like we do the predictions and all that. And then Lindsay walks off.
So don't follow her, just keep it on you.
Keep it on. And then, because we're not in this, you just keep it like over there. And then I say, in our classroom, I say, oh, I'm going to find Lindsay, and then I walk on here. So it looks as though I've come out of the classroom.
She walks out the classroom but comes back onto the telly.
Oh, right. Just go, do me a signal or something when I'm supposed to film. I don't know what I'm doing here. Right, hang on. Right, go on then. Lindsay, have you finished your butty?
Lindsay, I'll put my thumb up for when you can speak.
Come closer so you don't get all the trees in the other gardens.
Hang on, there's a Zoom thing here as well. Where's that?
Focus far near. So if you want.
Zoom in on me.
Lindsay. Yeah, I reckon it'll be good.
Goodness knows what you're going to get at. What's W and T mean?
Don't know.
Blooming heck. Near, focus, far, right. Right. We're starting now. It's filming. Oh my God.
Oh no, come on. Do it again.
You're on.
Excuse me, Kaylee, I was part of this as well. And I'm Lindsay Burgess. Wait, stop. I
Oh, Lindsay. This comes out, it'll be a miracle.
Okay.
Remember, I'm looking that way so I can't see you.
Do you want to go back to the place or?
I don't know how you do it now.
I'm looking at the camera now.
Sure you don't want to do this? You meant better at this, didn't you?
Because we know what.
Get one of them to do it.
Go
Katie, you can't do it. Gemma's got to do it because you're coming on with me. Face
Aye.
this way. Katie, film it this end here.
Play back. Okay, stop.
Come here.
Fancy things like
Rewind.
Gemma.
What? I'll stand there in the
Do it
shade.
this way so we can look at you and then look that way. And then we can have Katie or someone
Stop.
Do you know your eyes?
It's not rewinding.
No,
Should we
I
just-
have to rewind it in the
right.
in the cassette thing. So just go from there.
I'm zooming in on you.
Right, stand
Yeah, I might as well do because you've got to go in. Yeah, well, let me do then.
Ready?
Okay, right. Yeah?
Excuse me, I was part of this as well. And I'm Lindsay Burgess. Yeah. Anyway, what was our prediction on our methods? Stop. You do.
I'm waiting for
You gotta stop. You've got to do Katie's bit. I can't really do a big bit. No, she carries on recording, but you've got to do Katie's bit so then I go. How long does Katie's bit take?
I don't know, has this got a mic on, has it?
Yeah, it's a full.
That.
You're best doing it because I haven't got a clue but Katie's bit.
Okay,
Okay, go on.
just press that red button then.
And then I say-
When you're recording.
Get on with it,
You've got
Katie.
to have the pause wiped off the thingy.
Right, start again, Gemma. How long have we
Oh, your
got to do
garden's
this now?
beautiful. What?
How long have we got to do this? What time is it?
About 20 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, it's well long.
Okay, right. Okay, let's jam.
Are we filming from the start?
No, press the red. Is it on pause?
No.
Okay, can recording. Mum, can you rewind it? Oh, Lindsay.
Can you rewind it? Just
Come
look
here,
at it and
come
see what's
here.
going on.
You've got to
It's not on pause, you idiot.
Kaylee, stop it.
Oh, Lindsay, now come on, you're wasting all the film.
We're wasting the film after the copy now.
Kaylee, don't.
I wonder why that's off.
Mum!
Oh, sorry.
Right, you ready? Is it on pause?
That's programme.
No, it's film.
Excuse me, I was part of this as well. Hi, and I'm Lindsay Burgess. Can't Katie get on with it? What was our predictions and our methods? What is
Oh. Lindsay! Lindsay, where are you? I didn't get out, Lindsay.
What, Kaylee? I've just been eating my dinner. Do you want?
Oh, I was just about to read the conclusion out.
And our results? Okay then,
Shall we do it?
let's go then.
Mum, pop them Mum, stop.
Excuse me, Kaylee. I was part of this as well. Hi, and I'm Lindsay Burgess. Go on, Katie, get on with it. What was our predictions and our methods? What is Harrybrook, Kaylee? Prediction.
Lindsay! 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 Lindsay, where are you?
I'm here.
Oh, where have you been? Oh,
And this is my garden. Yeah, this is the fish pond. Yeah. Your baby fish in here. There you go.
Rachel, come on. Let's go. Excuse me, I was part of this as well. Hi, and I'm Lindsay Burgess. Get on with it, Katie. What was our prediction and what was our methods? What is Harrybrook? What is pollution? Switch up.
Lindsay!
Lindsay, where have you been? I've just been in to get some lunch while you were rabbiting on in the classroom.
Yeah, well, they need to know. Could you please read the conclusion out?
Yeah, I think I'll stand up to do this. We found out that Harrybrook was polluted slightly. We know this from the organisms which we found. We used this information to find out what each organism meant. This shows that a lot of the organisms we found showed pollution in Harrybrook. Is that all right now, Kaylee?
Shall we do it?
Do what?
All right.
Oh yeah, go on then. Ah,
Row,
ah,
row,
ah,
row.
Brook! I'll see you.
Oh.
Don't carry away
I
then.
don't know whether that was stuck
We've
on
done it.
pause.
Take it out now, Mum. You don't know whether it's stuck on pause. You go in the garden.
Let me have a stone.
So nice, yeah. Sue! Just got another stone out your rock garden.
Dylan, no. Dylan, no. Dylan, no.
You gotta leave.
Dylan!
No. Dylan, no.
Say no off the garden, Sarah.
No.
Sorry.
Come on. Dylan. Come on. Dylan. Come on.
Look, you rubbish thing.
Dylan. Dylan, no. Oh. Stop that.
No, that's naughty.
No.
Oh, no.
Dylan. Dylan. Come on. Come on. Dylan, come on.
He's in the stones and then the...
Dylan, come on. Come on.
The nosy neighbour.
I'll go and have a shower then.
You go, He's got a little t-shirt.
Look, you're not filming, I'm looking on the sit-on doing again. That's it, that blue one. Phone.
Ow! No, no, no. Come on, Dylan. Have that.
Don't let him get monkey.
I will. Ow. Try to chew it a bit. He's licking it. Yeah, what's this? Yeah.
Gladstone, tamper and intro.
You can't get up on the bed. You went like this to get up. And you couldn't get up. It's going. Dad, you're making it feel nervous.
No. Them slipping on the grass. Come on. Eat your flowers, Sue. Coming in. Come on. Come on. Yeah. There you go.
Let's give him some dinner. Hello, Cheeky. Hello. Going to have some dinner? Oh yeah? Are you going to have some dinner? He's hiding there on the cushion chair.
Celestial Power and Light Incorporated, capable of performing legally binding marriage ceremonies anywhere.
I'm not marrying you.
Actually, you are. Come on, let's go. Come on, little African queens.
Lindsay. Lindsay. Lindsay.
Yeah?
Look.
What?
Look.
Thank you. Gunner, Rosa,
What?
John, John.
The state of my hair?
Huh.
No hard feelings, Stone Valley. Best man won.
What's wrong with it?
Let's see the monkey.
Lindsay. You think when you're trainer. No, I don't think it is alright, Lindsay.
He's giving you the arm.
Good work, Brother X. Listen very carefully to George.
No.
Got him run yet, Dad?
Sorry?
Got him run yet? Got him running.
No, I think so.